Okay, class. So, are you starting doing the assignments? Yes.
Yes, sir. Chapter 9 you were explaining.
Okay, now I'm asking you. You are completed chapter 7. Whole exercises.
No, sir. My some exercises are left.
Okay, do it. And today
Do
we
it
are.
by Sunday.
Okay, inshallah. Okay, and I will do page number 139 today. Okay, so the questions are there, and see it clearly. Okay, there is a new concept, and see it clearly and do it in the class also. Okay, I am sharing your screen. Just tell me. Is it
Okay,
visible?
sir.
Okay, and now is it visible?
Yes, sir. Your screen is visible.
Okay. So, Bismillah.
Yes, sir.
Sir, in chapter number 7, the assignment which you have assigned for exercise 7.1 and 7.2, what was the deadline of it?
Beta, you have to complete that chapter.
Yesterday
Okay.
it was deadline over.
Okay. No. I given 17 Saturday. By tomorrow.
No, sir. Asking about 7.1 and 7.2.
Okay. That was over. Okay. Yes, all Islam. Yes, listen, class. Yes, concentrate. Yes, everyone open page number
Sir, please do step 1.
139. Okay. So, yes, first of all, what we have to do? Yes, everyone can please write this question and send it to me. Okay, I am just first explain it to you. Question number 5.
Okay, sir.
Okay, suppose this is 1/2 having power, it's 5. Okay, minus, it should not over here. Okay.
Sir,
Yes, beta.
sir, can we submit exercise 7.1 and 7.2 today? Sir, I was not knowing about it.
You can send me this chapter by Sunday. Okay, fraction. The previous
Sir,
one.
me to submit.
Okay, sir, okay.
LCM, SCF, the chapter which is of LCM and factors and multiples. That is okay. By Sunday you have to complete this. Okay. Yes, beta. How we solve this? Beta, see these steps. Okay, I am doing because just to know how to solve this. First of all, we write in the solution this thing. Okay, minus 3/2. Okay, this is your step 1. Okay, then what you do? 1/2. How many? What's the power? Yes, what's the power? It's 5. So we have to written
Sir, 5.
1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Okay. Who's
5 is the power.
okay?
And
Five.
sir, 3/2
Next time 1/2.
Wait. Okay. Yes. Try it this way. Try it this way.
Sir, we will write 3/2 3 times. Because power
we
is
will
3.
on 2 into 3 times.
Now, 3/2 into
3/2 we will write it 3 times because the power is 3.
Yes, sir.
My mic get off. Yes, everyone is trying. Yes, voice is audible. My voice is there.
Yes, sir.
Yes, I said 8.1
Yes, sir.
question number 5.
Better I write everything on the screen. Question number 5. Okay. And then what we do? We put bracket here.
Sir,
Okay.
it is very easy. The denominator is the same. What the problem? Just we have to multiply and give the answer, and then we have to subtract it.
It is easy, but still you are doing mistakes. Okay, then it will be how much? 2 to the 4 to the 8, 1 upon 32. Okay. Then
Yes,
minus
sir.
3 9 27, and it will be 2 4 8. Okay, then after that, take the LCM. LCM will be 32. Okay, it will be remain 1 minus 8 divided by 32, it will be 4, and when you multiply 27 into 4, okay, I am doing here. It's 108. Okay, so it's 108 is there. So the answer is, you can, what will be the answer? It will be 108 minus 1, it will be minus 107 upon 32.
32.
Okay, beta? Is it clear?
Yes, sir.
This is your rough part. Is it clear to everyone?
Yes, sir.
And no one has sent me. Basically, this I want to know. Why you want? Everyone got it?
Yes, sir. I
Sir,
have
one
got.
time, sir,
Yes,
one
but-
time you have sent a, you said to do that one worksheet of chapter of fraction. Sir, you didn't check my that one.
Beta, you send me first this thing, this question
Sir,
right now.
I'm not getting.
Why, beta? First we write this, okay, and 5
Yes, sir,
power
I
is
got that.
okay.
Sir, I'm saying that after this 1 minus 108 upon 32, we
How
will
come?
do, will that 107 upon 32.
Yes, beta, you all know why? Because first you take the
And then we
LCM.
can do it in the form.
Listen to me first. We take the LCM. LCM comes out to be 32. Okay. When we divide the 32 by 32, it will be 1. And 1 will be multiplied by numerator. As usual, we are doing addition and subtraction of fractions. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Can I move to next question?
Yes, sir. We are doing form.
Okay. Please see.
Yes, sir.
Please see question number 8. Okay. And it will be third part.
Sir, we have to do.
Yes. Do it yourself. Amna.
Okay, sir.
Sir, which question?
Beta, see it on the screen.
Okay, sir.
You have to check which one is greater.
Sir, sir, third part.
Yes.
Sir.
How you will, yes, doing, I'm telling you how you will do it. You just multiply it first 6 times.
Sir, please don't tell me.
Okay, okay.
2 in 2 की power 3 है. So minus 2 into
Minus 2.
Okay.
Minus 2 to the power 2, 6, sir.
Right here,
Or
right
minus
here.
6 is equal
Then
to
you will compare which one
minus
is
2
bigger and which one is smaller.
minus 2 into minus 2.
minus 2.
Okay, sir.
2
Minus
into 2. क्या कर रही हो?
Beta, what is this? I am muting you all. You concentrate on your work and send it to me.
Okay, sir. We will.
Minus 2 की power 6 है और
Azhar Hussain. Azhar, what are you doing? Yes, Sharish. WhatsApp come. Okay, let's see. It's minus 36 and okay, beta, you are wrong. Sharish, you are wrong. Okay, why you are wrong? If you see the number only, then it will be okay. According to this, when you multiply 2 to the 4, 2 to the 4, 4, 16, and 16 into 4 will be uh, 64. Okay, everyone see here, because this is a mistake you will make, chance you will do. It will be 64. Okay, and it will be 36. This will come. Okay, Cherish, your first yes, Mandasha, wait for a second. Where is yes, Cherish, you can talk now. Okay, see here, beta, how many times is this minus sign is how many times? It is 1 time, 2 times, 3 times, 4 times, 5 times, 6 times. 6 times are minus sign. Is it clear? So
Yes,
your
sir.
6 times, okay, 6 times minus sign come. Okay,
Yes, sir.
so 6 is your what is 6? 6 is your even. This is
Yes,
even.
it is.
So it is of positive sign. Okay, and
Okay,
this is also your negative 2 times, 1 time, 2 time. So 2
positive.
is even. So also this is
Yes,
also your positive. Okay, so
yes, sir.
this way, and still how do you write the answer? Okay, this, listen everyone, leave, because I am check your copies, no one has do, very few students done it in a proper way. Okay, leave the answer this way, just do not leave here. So you have to check, what you have to check, which one is bigger. See, 64 is bigger, and 64 comes from which number, this number or this number? It comes from this
Minus
part, minus 2 upon, oh
power.
sorry, minus 2 raised to the power 6. Okay, you
Yes.
can leave like this. Okay, in answer, everyone. Okay, is it clear?
Okay, sir.
Now it is 100% complete.
Okay, sir.
Yes, better try. Who is raising your hand? Anyone having a query can raise your hand. Ubada, yes, beta.
Yes, sir. Can you please explain again?
Beta, this is the same way. Just you have to check it which one is greater. Okay, and this is the this is the way of checking. 6 times power is 6. So we write minus 2. Remember, we have to write
Yes, sir.
with negative with the sign. Okay, second important thing is that, as one of the student write here minus and minus. Remember, for putting minus and plus, just observe how many times minus come. Here 1 time, 2 time, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 time minus come. So 6 is your even number, so put positive sign. If it comes in odd number, negative sign, the terms number of times the negative sign repeats. If it comes in negative, then it will be your answer always comes in negative. Is it clear now, beta?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Who is raising your hand? Ubada, just lower your hand. That's your query is over. Yes, beta. Mantasha. Yes, beta. Mantasha, please tell first.
I wanted to say if an odd number comes like minus 6 raised to the power 3, so it will come in negative.
No, beta. No. I am saying not this. I am saying that the number even or odd, you have to check on the sign. I am telling you again. Yes, Mantasha, listen. Just see how many times negative sign or positive sign comes. If
Okay, sir.
negative sign comes odd number of times, so answer always comes
Just see how many.
in negative and vice versa. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Vice versa means if it comes if negative power comes at even times, then it will be your positive sign always. Is it clear, beta?
Yes, sir.
Yes. Anyone having doubt? Yes, beta. Lower your hand if your query is over. Okay. Yes. Fast. I have to.
Sir, I don't have any query, but I am saying that please ask us question.
What? Yes, Amna.
Yes, sir. Sir, I don't have any query, but I am saying that please check my work. I have sent your personal number.
Okay, I will check it. Okay, let's lower your hand. Not queries. Amna, yes, beta, you talk. You can talk now. Amna, fast, beta. Yes, Faizan.
Sir, I have submitted my work on your WhatsApp.
Okay. Lower your hand. Lower your hand. Okay, Amna, you want to say something? Okay, everyone moves to the
Sir,
next.
I don't.
Yes. Yes, beta, tell me. Yes. Okay, move to question number. Everyone send it very fast. Okay. Question number 11 is very important. I am telling you how to do. Question number 11. Part second. Okay. 5 raised to the power x is equals to 125. Okay. How we yes, how we do? We see here, this is called as your base and this is called your exponent or power. Okay, we have to make the base equal. Okay, is it clear now? Yes. Okay, how you make it? We cannot factorize it. Okay, then we factor this 125. It is how it is. This is your rough part. Okay. 5 2 times is 10 through there 25. 5 5 is 25, 5 is the 5. So 125 can be written as 5 into 5 into 5, and it can be written as 5 raised to the power 3. So this 5 raised to the power x is I'm writing this as it is, this sign as it is, and in this, for this we have write 5 raised to the power 3. Okay, see, now base are same. Now base are same. What to do? Just compare these power. Now compare power. This is the every steps I'm telling you. Okay, say it carefully. Parts. So what will the value of x? X is equals to 3. So this is your answer. Okay. Yes. Everyone. In the, yes, this is clear to everyone. Yes, Ubada.
Yes, sir, it's clear. And sir, yesterday you gave a question, so I already got a hint that this is gonna be 5 rational power 3. Yesterday you gave us the
Okay,
question.
okay, okay, okay. Okay.
minus
Okay.
3 rational power
Yes, beta.
into
Your
minus 5 rational
okay.
power 2.
You send me. Yes, I am getting your solutions. I will check it later. Okay, because reciprocal I have to also told today. Okay, so don't worry. You just send me your solutions. I will check it soon. Okay, next question is, which is very important. You can say that yes, 12. See question number 12. Okay. Third part. How to do third part? AB to the power A. What is that? It is given in the question that value of A is equals to 3 and value of B is equals to given as your 2. Okay, so put these values here. A is 3 and B is, we are just putting the values. B is 2 and put the power as A is 3. So we just first multiply, we using BODMAS, we just open it first. Okay, it will be 6 and power will remain as it is. So 6 is multiplied 3 times. What will be the answer? Yes, tell me. Okay, it will be 36 to 36. It will be 216. This is your rough part. So A raised is equals to 3 into 2 raised to the power 3 is equals to 216. Okay. Is it clear now? Okay, you can do also question 12, fourth part. Okay, the first, second are very, very easy. Just add and put the power over it. Yes. Is it clear? Yes. Yes. Anyone send me? It is A upon B. You have sent Kulsum A upon B as beta A upon B. Do that this way. Okay, A upon B. Do this way, not divide it. Okay. So how to do? Just write A over B. Okay, I am telling you question number 12, fourth part. Okay, so what is how to do? Just write the values first. 2, A is 2. Oh, sorry, A is given as 3. Okay, and B is given as your 2. Okay, just write it. And what's the power? This. So as you are doing earlier, now this is your become your question. Now what you do, you just multiply 3 2 times and 2 2 times. This will be 9 upon 4. So this is your answer. Okay. Yes, is anyone having problem? Please raise your hand. Okay. I'm asking from, yes, Cherish. Tell me better first.
Yes, sir. I want to ask that, sir, in question number 12, you have told us third power. So, sir, in third A power is to 2. So, sir, how, sorry, A. So, how A become 2?
A beta, it is given in the question. Na? If A is equals to 3 and B is equals to 2. Okay, beta. Dear, listen, you are getting me or not? In question number 12, powers are values of A and B is given to you. See, question 12, values is given. Value of A is equals to 2, sorry, 3, and B is equals to 2 is given in the question. Okay. Yes, Nidia and Faizan. Yes.
Yes, sir. What?
Why you are raising hand, beta?
Sir, that time I was having query and then I forgot to lower hand.
Okay, Faizan. Yes, beta. You want to ask me something? Yes, Rukaiya.
Yes, sir. Sir, if you put, sir, in this question, sir, question number 12, sir, A upon B is equals to 3 upon 2 power 2, sir. Sir, how will we solve this question?
Which type? Tell me
Sir,
again.
this one.
Which
Sir,
number?
this one question. Sir, A upon B is equals to, sir, 3 upon 2. 2. Sir,
Beta,
here we have to write what? Upon the 2.
listen to me. The question is A upon B to the power 2. Okay, this is power is there. Okay, power is there. It is in the question. Just write the values. A is given as 3. It is given in the question. The if A is equals to 3. See it? Question number 12 in your book. Okay, and B is
Yes,
given
sir.
as 2. So we just write it, and we are, as we are doing question number 4 or simplify, just we are doing the same. Okay, as we are doing simplification, question number 3, question number, okay, of 8.1, the same way.
Okay, sir. Okay, sir.
Okay, yes. Faizan, lower your hand. Yes, Mandasha.
Sir, I wanted to say that I have not understand question number 12, third part. Please.
Beta, we are just very easy. See, A upon B, just put the values. Okay, A value.
Sir, this no.
Yeah,
Sir,
listen.
a third part, not fourth.
This is your fourth, na? Question number 12.
Yes, sir.
So this is your fourth. The value of A is given as 3, and in the question, the value of B is given as 2. Okay, we make a bracket as we do here, and it is same. It is as it is given in the question. Okay, 2. So we just simplify it as we are doing question number 3 of exercise 8.1. We do in the same way. Okay, beta. Okay, Mantasha.
Okay, sir.
Okay, so next one is very important. That is reciprocal. What do you mean by reciprocal? Means opposite, upside down. Reciprocal means upside down. Okay, just do upside down. Means reciprocal if 3 upon 4 is given to you. So reciprocal will be, what is the reciprocal? Reciprocal will be 4 upon 3. Okay, just do opposite. If I'm saying to you, find the reciprocal of 5 upon 6 power 2. So reciprocal will be reciprocal will be 6 upon 5 raised to the power 2. Now here you simplify it, 6 into 6 and 5 into 5. So what we get is 36 upon 25. So this is the answer. Okay. Yes, lower your hand. Yes, Nidya.
Sir, I have one query that sir, please explain the 12th part, third question.
Okay, use first. I already done it on the screen. Okay, you
Yes,
try
yes,
it.
sir.
You
Please
try
explain one
you-
more time.
you try it and send to me first. Try yourself and send it to me.
Sir.
Okay.
Okay, sir.
Okay, so this is called reciprocal. Means you are just opposing and doing uh, upside down. Okay. For example, here it is written as on page 140, under reciprocal of 1 raised to the power 5, 1 upon 3 raised to the power 5. What we are doing here? We are reciprocal. Okay. Okay, so what will be a solution? It will be 3 upon 1, just do opposite and do the power same. So 3 will be multiplied 5 times. Okay, 3 times, 2 times. It will be like this, means we have to multiply this thing. Okay, 27 by into 9. 243. Okay, so what's the answer? The answer of this is 3243. Okay, 243 will be the answer. Now this next one is very important, laws of exponent. Yes, this is clear to you. Yes, everyone, please do first 3 minus 3 upon 5 raised to the power 4. Find reciprocal of minus 3 upon 5 raised to the power 4. Okay, means you have to first do the reciprocal and then calculate it. Yes. See here. Nidya, see here, A, B, just put the values and put the power. This power is in both on both the numbers. Okay, so first simplify the bracket as I am doing here. Okay, we just put the number, we just multiply 3 to the 6, it will be 6. Okay, this is first we put it, multiply, it will come 6, power is remain as it is. Then 6, how we solve it? We have to write number of times as power is given. So we are multiplying 6 3 times and you will get the answer. Okay. Yes, do it. Send me again, Mantasha. Oh, Nidya. A upon B. Shall send this one? Okay, find the reciprocal of. Bada. Okay. 3 to the 9, 2 to the 4. Okay. Bada, send this one also, find the reciprocal of. Yes, everyone, please send this one first. Okay, A upon B, 3. Beta, who is this? Sharish. Okay, okay. Beta, you write this, na? This is Sharish, you write C your 3 power 2 upon 2. Then after that, you write 3 into 3 and 2 into 2. So if you put power here also, then only it is correct. Okay. Do it again. So how you will do this? Yes, beta. Yes. Tell me. Yes.
Sir, wait, I'm doing.
Okay. Yes, Kulsum.
Yes, sir, I am also doing.
Okay. Okay. And Ubada.
Sir, I have done the question I'm sending you.
Question number
Okay.
12, part
And sir, I raised my hand because at the time I was
Okay.
raising
Okay.
my hand,
Now
you were
your
not
query is
showing the
clear.
question.
Okay.
I want to ask.
I wanted to just see.
Okay. Yes, beta.
Question part B.
Question number.
Sir, want that if we are answer 625 upon 8, so to write power, no, we will not write the power.
Which question you are saying?
Sir, in question
Find
number
the
12,
reciprocal.
No, no, no. Just solve it. Okay. You can solve it, or you can do also. Means 5 upon 3. This also. Okay. Or you can, if the question is given, find the reciprocal. Then this is okay. Okay. And when it is given that you have to simplify also reciprocal, find a reciprocal and simplify it, then you have to open like this. Okay, as we are doing. Is it clear?
sir, I have sent.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
Okay, Kulsum
Sir,
message is
Sir, I have done.
yes.
The question number 12, part B.
Okay. Yes, Cherish, 4 power is not there. Okay, because you simplify it already.
Sir, please tell.
Which one, beta?
Sir, question number 12, part B.
Question number 12, part B. Beta, write down the numbers 3 and 2 and add it 5 and then put the power of B, that is 2. Okay, solve it, send it to me, show
Sir,
me.
like this. It's saying 3 upon 5 minus 3 upon 5 power 4. So
Okay.
I have done 5 into 5.
Correct your
into
answers.
5 into 5.
Which question you are asking, telling?
Sir, reciprocal of which you have given on the screen.
Okay, this one, no
Sir,
reciprocal.
I have sent, please.
Yes, I will see it. Okay, very good. Faizan has sent me. Okay.
Sir, I have also sent.
Okay, I am seeing one by one.
Sir, I think mine is wrong.
Nidya, you are wrong. Nidya, your answer is wrong. Mantasha is 3.5, 5.3 negative sign, power 4. Reciprocal is your right, Mantasha. Okay. So remember this thing, that this is very, very important. Just concentrate and do it. And do not forget to put the powers. Okay. If bracket on whole
Yes, sir.
on the top of the bracket, if power is there, it means it is on the both the numbers, means on the numerator and denominator.
Okay,
Yes,
sir.
beta. Amina, tell me fast. Fayyaz Hassan, Ubada.
Yes, sir, I'm saying that
Sir, I want to.
answer of this question is very light in the photo. I don't know why. So I'm telling it 25 upon 9.